Hey guys, my name is Jamin. Thanks for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access and replace the solar panel in your Texas Instrument Calculator TI-30X solar. So first thing we're going to do, flip the calculator over. We're going to access these 6 screws on the bottom. Once these 6 screws are taken up, you can pry this bottom case off with a pry tool or a flathead screwdriver. After that, this is what you're looking at for the inside, and this is your main board right here. Now this main board is held in by a number of plastic clips. You have these 2 on top, 2 here, 2 here, 1 here in the middle, 1 here in the middle, and these 4 down bottom. So there's quite a lot of clips holding this main board down. So you're gonna have to bend each clip back to allow this main board to get up. It'll take a little bit of work. Try not to break more than you have to. After that comes up, you're left with this. And there's your solar panel right there. And it's not fastened in any way. It's just sitting under the main board. So you can take that right up. That's the part number right there. I'll have that below in the description as well. Okay, so that's our video. I hope it was helpful and it allowed you to do what you were trying to do. If you have any questions, guys, check out the FAQs below in the description. I do try to keep those updated. If you need to leave me a comment or question, please do. I do try to get to those as often as possible. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And now I'll leave you with a quick word from my affiliate partner, a great place to get games, Humble Bundle. At Humble, guys, you can get the latest games at great prices. They also have great ways to save when you're buying. You can bundle your games together in a purchase instead of buying them one at a time. You can also join Humble Choice, which is a monthly subscription service that gets you free games every month. And you can also feel good about your purchases because Humble has donated a ton of money to charity. And every time you pay your Humble Choice membership, every time you use my link, charity gets more. So it's a great website, guys, great place to get games. Check it out with the link above. I'll also have the link below in my description.